Which HTML5 element is used to provide machine-readable information, like events, dates, ratings? Option A, less than meta greater than option B, less than time greater than option C, less than data greater than option D, less than mark greater than. The correct option C, less than data greater than. In HTML5, which attribute is used on less than iframe greater than to improve security by restricting actions, like scripts, forms? Option A, sandbox option B, security option C, restrict option D, policy. The correct option A, sandbox. Which HTML element allows browsers to choose between multiple media sources for responsive design? Option A, less than video greater than option B, less than source greater than option C, less than picture greater than option D, less than media greater than. The correct option C, less than picture greater than. Which HTML attribute prevents a form field from being edited, but still submits its value? Option A, read-only option B, disabled option C, locked option D, inert. The correct option A, read-only. Which HTML5 attribute ensures that a video automatically plays when the page loads? Option A, autoplay option B, play option C, controls option D, start. The correct option A, autoplay. What is the purpose of the less than track greater than element inside a less than video greater than or less than audio greater than tag? Option A, to embed multiple media formats option B, to specify subtitles, captions, or descriptions option C, to preload the video option D, to define fallback content. The correct option B, to specify subtitles, captions, or descriptions. Which element is best suited for marking up a piece of text that has a different meaning or mood, like irony or sarcasm? Option A, less than M greater than option B, less than strong greater than option C, less than mark greater than option D, less than I greater than. The correct option D, less than I greater than. In HTML5 forms, which input type is specifically used for selecting a month and year, without day? Option A, type equals, date, option B, type equals, month, option C, type equals, date time local, option D, type equals, week. The correct option B, type equals, month. Which HTML attribute is used to instruct browsers to download a file instead of navigating to it? Option A, href equals, download, option B, target equals, download, option C, download option D, rel equals, download. The correct option C, download. Which global HTML attribute can be used to store custom data for JavaScript usage? Option A, custom asterisk option B, meta asterisk option C, data asterisk option D, JS. The correct option C, data.